At Rivian's reimagined Illinois factory, America's electric adventure begins with premium, lightweight materials.
Each R2 skateboard platform requires 48 precision-formed aluminum and steel components.
Laser metrology systems verify every platform component to 50-micron accuracy.
Autonomous vehicles deliver components with AI-optimized routing, reducing assembly time. The skateboard platform integrates battery housing, suspension mounts, and motor cradles as one structure. Laser welding joins aluminum components with minimal heat distortion and maximum strength.
Coordinated robotics complete platform welding in 90 seconds with perfect repeatability.
Portable coordinate measuring machines verify platform geometry across 300 critical points. Integrated suspension mounts enable Rivian's adventure-ready off-road capability. Each battery module contains precision-tested cells with integrated thermal management channels. Advanced battery management systems monitor each cell, ensuring safety and optimal performance.
Ultrasonic welding creates zero-resistance connections between battery modules. The complete battery pack integrates cells, cooling, protection, and management into Rivian's skateboard architecture.
The battery pack weighs over 900 pounds and forms the structural chassis element. Laser positioning ensures perfect battery integration within 1 millimeter tolerance. 32 structural bolts secure the battery using programmed torque-to-yield sequences.
Rivian's in-house designed electric motors deliver instant torque and adventure-ready capability.
Permanent magnet motors achieve 97% efficiency, converting electricity to motion.
The dual motor configuration provides all-wheel drive with independent front and rear control.
Shielded high-voltage cables carry up to 400 volts with multiple safety interlocks.
Independent rear motor enables advanced torque vectoring for off-road capability.
Advanced inverters convert DC battery power to 3-phase AC for motor control.
The complete skateboard platform integrates propulsion, energy storage, and vehicle dynamics.
Integrated thermal management maintains optimal temperatures from Arctic cold to desert heat.
Regenerative braking recovers energy, while hydraulic brakes provide fail-safe redundancy.
Rivian-tuned suspension balances on-road comfort with serious off-roll capability.
The body-to-platform marriage creates R2's adventure-ready structure.
Structural adhesives supplement welds, providing rigidity and noise isolation. Hydraulic positioning systems unite body and platform within millimeter precision. Flow drill screws create strong thread-forming joints without pre-drilled holes. The massive fixed glass roof provides open-air ambience and structural rigidity.
Robotic systems install the glass roof with perfect alignment and adhesive distribution.
Structural urethane creates watertight seal and contributes to body rigidity. Rivian's sustainable paint process minimizes environmental impact while ensuring durability. Electrocoating provides 12-year corrosion protection, reaching every cavity and surface. The electrocoat layer bonds molecularly to aluminum and steel, ensuring lasting protection.
Precision paint robots apply Rivian's signature launch green with atomization perfection.
Electrostatic paint application achieves 98% transfer efficiency, minimizing waste.
AI-optimized robot paths ensure perfect coverage consistency across every R2 produced.
Multi-layer clear coat provides UV protection and the signature Rivian Deep Shine.
Machine vision systems detect paint defects smaller than human eye can perceive.
Expert inspectors verify finish quality, complementing automated systems with human judgment.
Interior assembly integrates Rivian's adventure-ready features with modern comfort.
The dashboard integrates Rivian's proprietary software interface with adventure vehicle functionality. Rivian's software platform provides intuitive control with over-the-air update capability.
The gear tunnel provides weatherproof storage, accessible from both sides of vehicle. Flexible seating creates 54 cubic feet of adventure gear storage capacity. The built-in LED flashlight epitomizes Rivian's thoughtful, adventure-ready design philosophy.
The multifunction steering wheel provides intuitive vehicle control with premium materials. LED lighting creates Rivian's unmistakable face with adventure-ready illumination. The distinctive lighting signature identifies every Rivian vehicle instantly.
The rugged front fascia balances aerodynamics with off-road capability and durability.
All-terrain tires provide on-road efficiency with serious off-road traction capability.
Star pattern torquing ensures even clamping force for safety and performance.
Tire pressure monitoring provides real-time pressure data and low-pressure warnings. The R2 touches down ready for systems integration and adventure readiness verification. Body panel gaps maintained within 2 millimeters ensure premium fit and finish. NACS charging port provides access to Tesla's extensive supercharger network.
The power liftgate provides easy access to adventure gear with hands-free kick sensor.
The connected LED taillight creates modern rear signature, visible from great distances.
The integrated hitch receiver enables 3,500-pound towing capacity for adventure trailers.
High-voltage activation follows strict safety protocols with multiple verification checkpoints. Final software calibration activates all Rivian features and optimizes drivetrain performance. Machine vision inspects over 1,500 quality points across the entire vehicle.
Every mechanical function undergoes multiple cycle testing, ensuring consistent operation quality.
The digital display confirms all drivetrain, safety, and comfort systems operate perfectly.
Computer-controlled alignment optimizes electric range efficiency and ensures precise handling dynamics. Seal integrity ensures completely dry cabin under pressure exceeding hurricane force rain. Electric motors deliver maximum torque instantly, providing exhilarating acceleration response. Regenerative braking recovers up to 70% of braking energy, extending driving range. Rivian's adventure-ready suspension provides 8 inches of ground clearance with impressive articulation. Multiple drive modes optimize performance for highway efficiency, sport driving, or off-road adventure.
Pet Comfort Mode maintains safe cabin temperature while displaying pet monitoring to passers-by.
Estimated range up to 330 miles provides confidence for adventure exploration.
The final quality gate ensures every R2 meets Rivian's exacting adventure-ready standards.
Digital quality records provide complete traceability for every inspection throughout production. Each vehicle's unique VIN links to complete manufacturing history, including battery pack serial number. The window sticker confirms EPA estimated range and comprehensive vehicle specifications.
EPA testing validates 330 miles combined range and exceptional efficiency.
Protective films and coverings prevent transport damage during delivery to Rivian service centers. Specialized enclosed transporters protect vehicles during delivery to Rivian locations nationwide.
6-point securing system ensures vehicles remain perfectly stable during cross-country transport.
Complete digital documentation ensures accountability throughout the delivery chain. From Rivian's Illinois factory, R2s begin their journey to adventure-seeking customers nationwide. Rivian service centers provide final preparation, ensuring every R2 is adventure-ready for delivery. Rivian guides remove transport protection and verify every vehicle detail before customer delivery. Every touchpoint reflects Rivian's commitment to quality, durability, and thoughtful design. The versatile interior balances family comfort with serious adventure capability and gear storage. Comprehensive delivery orientation ensures owners understand all Rivian features and capabilities. The silent EV startup signals the beginning of electric adventure ownership. The Rivian mobile app locates charging stations, including Tesla superchargers with NACS compatibility. New R2 owners join the Rivian community, embracing electric adventure vehicle ownership. DC fast charging enables 10 to 80% charge in approximately 30 minutes. The electric adventure journey begins with confidence in Rivian's capability and innovation.
From city streets to mountain trails, the R2 provides go-anywhere electric confidence.
Rivian-tuned suspension and all-wheel drive enable serious off-road adventure exploration.
Real-time charging monitoring shows power delivery rate and estimated completion time.
Onboard power outlets provide electricity for camping equipment, turning R2 into mobile power station. The R2 enables exploration of remote destinations with zero emissions and silent operation. Real-time efficiency monitoring helps optimize range through driving technique and regeneration.
True. The 2026 Rivian R2 democratizes electric adventure vehicles, combining affordability, capability,